Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO C50 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings. Let's tap on it and here just scroll down to almost very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see right here, we've got some options which we can customize, or actually right now cannot, because as you can see, some of the options are inactive. It is because we are using the automatic date, time and the time zone. We can, or we have to even turn them off first of all, and then we can simply tap on the date and just by swiping set the date we want to use. The same situation with the time, just swipe and it will be immediately applied to the status bar. The time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and as you can see you will be able to for sure find the region you'd like to set. After finding, just tap on it, so let me randomly pick this one. And as you can see, it will be set. And of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. So it is affected by the time zone, of course. Here we can change the time format. Right now it is automatic, so based on the system language, but you can always manually decide that you want to use 24-hour format or 12-hour format. And here you've got the dual clock right here, so you can turn it on or off just by using this switcher. And if you want to use it, just enter the second clock to pick the region from which you want to download the time. Yes. So basically this is the whole customization, the manual customization of date and time. Of course you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. So basically that's all. This is how to change the date and time in your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.